What is the real meaning of eating rice in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of eating rice dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees eating rice in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any delay and hindrance in real life. Now number 2. If someone sees cooking and eating any kind of rice dish in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon, which you have been waiting for a long time, or any of your wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 3. If someone gives you rice to eat in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get big success in life due to the help and support of the divine in life, or you are going to get new opportunities for success that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 4. If someone sees eating fried rice in a dream, then it's also a sign of good luck and prosperity and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 5. If someone sees eating rice pudding in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon. Now number 6. If someone sees eating uncooked rice in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to have some patience in life, because some kind of hastiness will cost you in the form of waste of money, time and energy. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to focus on your big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 7. If someone sees eating burnt rice in a dream, then this dream also gives a kind of warning that maybe you are wasting your time on useless things in life that can create any kind of problems in the coming future. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to focus on important tasks and targets to get the extraordinary results in real life. Now number 8. If someone sees eating rotten or spoiled rice in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life, or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests difficulties to completing any work, project or planning. So to avoid these problems, you should adopt a positive attitude towards life, or you should cross-check your plans before execution in real life.